In today's video, I'm going to teach you Explore the Theme Editor. We'll walk through how to open your Shopify theme editor, add new sections, browse different pages, and fine-tune page-specific templates so you can see where new features live and how to use them confidently. Start by heading to your Shopify admin. From there, open Online Store, then Themes. Find your Dawn theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where the live preview sits in the center. Your controls are on the left, and at the top you'll see a drop-down that lets you switch between different pages and templates. Think of this space as your design studio. The left panel controls what appears, the preview shows how it looks, and the top menu decides which part of your store you're editing. On the left, look for the Add Section button. Click it to open the full library of sections available for your theme. This list may include new options added in recent updates, so it's worth scanning for anything you haven't seen before. You can search by name, browse by category, and click a section to add it to the current page. After adding, you'll see settings for that section, things like text, images, layout, or visibility. Make small tweaks and watch the preview update right away. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to quickly revert your last change. And remember that you can drag sections in the left panel to reorder them. Next, use the drop-down at the top of the editor to browse different pages. Switch between your homepage, product pages, and collection pages to see how your new sections and features behave in each context. Some sections are shared across templates, while others appear only on certain pages. This is a great way to maintain a consistent brand look while still taking advantage of template-specific options. As you switch, keep an eye on layout differences and how content adapts across pages. Finally, explore page-specific templates. In the sidebar, navigate to areas like product pages to find elements that are unique to that template. Here you can customize blocks such as product information, media, or complementary content, which might include newly released features. Adjust settings carefully and note whether you're editing a specific template or the default one, since changes to a default template affect all pages that use it. That's it. Open the editor, add sections, browse pages, and refine template-specific details. Take your time, preview often, and explore new features as they roll out.